Today we're going to go through how to create a campaign on Flangar. The first thing to do is to log in. If you already have a Flangar account, you just enter your login details and then you click on login. Once you are logged in, you'll scroll to my account on the menu bar and then search for dashboard. You click on dashboard so that you can enter into your account dashboard where you have access to the campaign creation tools. So once we enter into our dashboard, you now look for add new campaign. First, you can scroll down to see if you already have some campaigns. You realize that this account has no campaign because it's a new account. So we're going to create a new campaign for this account. So we click on add new campaign and we fill campaign forms and then we click on submit. So let's get on with how to create a campaign. Once you are in the campaign page, you can scroll down and have a look at the interface. You can even click on learn how, so it directs you to our YouTube page where you can learn how to create a campaign. You can also have a look at the kind of projects that we accept. Let's get on with it. So to begin with, you enter your email address, the email address that you created the account with. Next, the title of your campaign, what the project is about. So if it's a music album production, you just put the album production title there. Then we talk about the campaign, talk about the project, what it's all about, to give your audience an idea of what you're working on. Next, we upload the campaign pictures about the campaign. Once we are done, we upload a feature image, an image that represents the campaign at the front page of the platform. Then you share a link of your campaign video, a video of you talking about your campaign and what it means to you. Then you select a category for your project. Which category of the ads does it fall into? Now we come and fill in the campaign method. How is the campaign going to end? And then the campaign start date. What time will the campaign start? Or what date is the campaign starting? We go to when the campaign will end, the end date of the campaign. Usually our campaigns run to 3 months, so you can select the maximum date, which is 3 months, or it can be 1 month or 2 months, but it has to be within 3 months. Now we select a minimum amount, which is the lowest amount someone can give or donate. Then you go to your maximum amount, which is the highest amount that a donor can give to support your project. Once that is sorted out, you enter your funding goal. All right, how much are you raising? Are you raising 1,000 cedis, 2,000 cedis, 10,000 cedis? So you enter the amount that you are raising. Next, you predefine your pledge amount, and the predefined amount should usually be the same as the minimum pledge amount. Then you select whether you want to show a list of your backers publicly or you want to keep it private. Then you also select whether you want to make backers anonymous or you want to show their names. Next, you choose the country you're coming from. It has to be an African country. Currently, Flangar is only available to African creatives. Then you select a specific location where you are located currently. Then you click next and you're done with the first phase of the account creation process. The next process is we have to create a reward for the campaign. So we get on with creating a reward. First, you enter the amount that activates a reward. Here we will use 200 cedis, or let's say 100 cedis. Okay, let's say 100 cedis activates a reward. Now you have to describe the reward. What is the reward about? What is the user getting? Perhaps the user is going to get a t-shirt or any other merchandise or maybe a VIP ticket, or some privileges to take a picture with the artist if he's a music artist, or some behind the scene moments, right? Or a specialized home concert for the giver and the family, or a certain community. So the reward can be anything that you can give to encourage your donors or your supporters to give more. So you describe the reward in the reward description box. Once you're done, you choose an image to represent the reward. Next, you give an estimated delivery date when the reward will be delivered. All right, so you give a reasonable date when the reward can be delivered. Then next, you select the quantity of the rewards. If it's a product, then perhaps you want to give the quantity. But if it's an experience, quantity is not necessary, but you can just put in 0 or 1 just to fill that box in, and then proceed to send. Once you click send, your campaign is submitted, and our campaign team will review it and send you a confirmation email via the email that you created account with. Flangar, together goes further.